Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Finally, we received the Z7 Ultra smartwatch. It is the Galaxy 7 Ultra clone smartwatch. It is so far one of the most affordable Galaxy 7 Ultra clone in the market. We are interested to see whether the smartwatch design is somewhat similar to the original, and of course I'm also curious whether the features is somewhat similar to the original, or I think the software, the OS for this one is the same with the Apple Watch Ultra clone smartwatches. Okay, so that's what we are going to learn, or that is what we are going to explore with this review unboxing review of the Z7 smartwatch. As you can see here, it is tagged as the Smartwatch Ultra. There's a much better model for this one. I think the JS7 Ultra. Okay, so I picked this one. It is the Z7 based on the promotional images on the shopping site. Anyway, let's get to know more about the Z7 Ultra smartwatch, and let's check its features, design, and some details about the wearable. If you have any questions regarding the unboxing of the Z7 Ultra smartwatch, just drop a comment below and we will try to answer your queries if you do have the time. Okay, so let's start and explore this smartwatch. As you can see here, we do have a simple packaging. Let's remove the plastic. Okay. We do hope that there's still battery left for this one so we can check out the UI. So let's remove the plastic. Smartwatch Ultra. Let's see. Okay, very wide body frame here. And it looks nice, I think. So we have, seems like we do have a PC material here on the center. Oh no, it's metal. At the back we have the PC cover. On the top we have a metal bezel here. So this is a button. We have at least 2 push buttons and one, I don't know if this is a crown button or another circular push button. We have the speaker here. Okay, so this is the smartwatch. Inside we have a sporty, sort of like an ocean strap design with a steel buckle here. We have the wireless charger, and we have the smartwatch user manual. It is using the Fan application. Okay, so I don't have any good experience with the support app for this one, for the Fan. Okay, based on our last pairing of this with the Fan app with another smartwatch, it's very unstable and very hard to pair it. Hopefully there will be some improvement with the Z7 Ultra smartwatch. Again, the contents are, we do have the user manual, the wireless charging cable, still USB type A. We have the smartwatch, and we have here the strap. So the strap, okay, so we do have a watch strap lock here. Does it work? No. Okay, it is fake. Okay, so this is attached through, I think, force fitting. So this one, it's not working, it's fake. Okay, so let's attach this. Just slide it in, force fitting. So far, it looks nice. Okay, seems like based on the finish here, it is somewhat close to the original. Okay, especially on the size of the wearable. Okay, so let's check on the weight here. It's a bit heavy, I think. Okay, compared to the usual Watch Ultra. So it is a bit wide. It looks okay. We attached this in a wrong direction. Okay, it is a bit wide, and at the same time it looks like an outdoor smartwatch. 00, we have 65 grams. Yes, it's more than 50. Okay, it's a bit heavy compared to other wearable, and it's wide. I do have here a medium size smartwatch. Let me show it to you. Okay, look at the size of this Watch Ultra, or the Galaxy 7 Ultra clone. So we have a circular body frame or a circular display, but we do have like a square or rectangular body frame. So let's remove this. Okay, circular screen display. So for those who do have a smaller wrist, I think you will not like the size of this wearable. But for those who are looking for somewhat like a Galaxy type design, rugged outdoor style, this will definitely suit your taste. For the specs, I do have here the specifications of the wearable. It has an IPS LCD screen, compatible with Android and iOS. Okay, again for the specs, we do have it here. Okay, now that you know the specifications of the wearable, let's try to check on the UI. I guess this is the power button. You still have enough juice? No, did not work. Let's see with this one. If not, I'm going to charge this for just a few minutes. Did not work also. Seems okay. So this is the power button here on the bottom part. So English, yes. And we have the, okay, similar to the sticker here. And seems like we do have an always on display. Okay, so this is the menu. Return button. Okay, so this is rotary. You can use it to, I guess, navigate on the menus and change the watch face. For the UI, let's see. Okay, the bottom part we have notifications, split screen, and the different cards. Press for the menu. Let's see if this is the button to activate the main menu. Yes. Then go back. Okay, so that's it for the design, the specs, and we do have a preview of the UI of our Z7 Ultra smartwatch. It is a Galaxy 7 Ultra clone smartwatch. If you have any questions regarding this wearable, if you are interested to see or to purchase this one, also watch our second video so you can explore and learn more about the menus and features offered on this new clone smartwatch. Okay, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.